This pop-up project makes a perfect use of scraps, by the way, and that's what I'll be using just to show you the principles, but you can decorate any way you like. I made a Christmas version of this pop-up. You can get the free digital on my Patreon. For this pop-up card idea, you need to cut out a few squares. Mine are 8 by 8 centimeters, and we're going to need 7 of them. Now take a square and fold it diagonally to get a triangle. Fold that triangle in half and then do it once again. Do you see these 3 pointy ends here? We're going to cut them off. Just use a coin to trace a round line and use that as a guideline to cut the pointy ends off. When you open the paper up, you'll be left with this lovely flower shape. Each flower has got 8 petals. Now, next step is to cut one of them off. Then we need to put some glue on this petal here and glue the other one on top. This leaves us with a beautiful 3D looking flower shape. The next step, I'm not sure I can put into words actually, so I'm using these tiny stickers to mark where you need to add glue, and you can use the footage to guide you. It's important to only add a small dot of glue or your pop-up card won't pop up in the end. Once you have all the parts glued together, you should be looking at something like this. It's now ready to go into a card. Any base which opens up will do, but in this case I'm going to stick it directly into my junk journal actually to make an interactive sort of spread. The last thing left to do is put a bit of glue on the 2 center petals . And press the card down, or in my case the junk journal down. Your flower should be right up at the card crease but not overlapping with it. This is very important. Give the glue a few minutes to do its magic and then let's have a look. The video on the right is another pop-up card tutorial. Feel free to check it out. Thanks for watching this one and I'll catch you in my next one.